Here I have Nokia 8.3 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to enable installation from the unknown sources on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings, then go to the apps and notification section, then go to advanced, special app access, and here you have to find install unknown apps. Here you have the whole list of apps in which you can install unknown apps. For example, you can allow from this source for Google Chrome, and also, for example, for Google Drive and other Google services. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.